Hey you guys, and welcome back to Homeschool for Life. So today my homeschoolers have already done their journals and their question of the day book. This is the question of the day book that they do. We got this from Amazon. You guys can check out our link and get the same book if you want to. They do this gratitude journal, which we got from the 5 and Below store, and then a journal for just practicing their writing. So that's already done. It's about 8:30. I am going to be doing deliveries today. They're gonna come with me and do their homeschool in the car. So they have their homeschool stuff right over there. And they made a mess out of their room. So I told them to come up in here and clean. So let me see what they've done. You see this? And don't worry about the bed being on the floor. We just moved, so we have not gotten a frame for that bed. And then in this room, turn that TV off, turn off the TV. Bed not made and messy. So yeah, they got some cleaning to do. So they're gonna do some cleaning. I'm about to work on breakfast. You guys comment down below. Let me know how you're doing today. Today for breakfast, I'm going to be making keto toast and guacamole. Okay, so today for breakfast, we're gonna be making avocado toast. This keto-friendly bread is what I use. It's only 35 calories, and yes, we are all watching our calorie intake. And then I'm gonna make this into guacamole. So let me go ahead and put the bread in the toaster. What do you guys usually put inside of your guacamole? I usually put mayo, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and seasonings. I thought I was gonna need 2 avocados to make some avocado toast, but it looks like 1 is gonna be more than enough. So that's done. That's how it looks. Yummy. So I've been trying to cut down on dishes. So I have obviously regular plates, but I use my paper plates for sure. Let me get the toast. This is how it looks. And this is their breakfast with a fruit. I think I'm gonna give it to them with a banana. I was trying to decide between a banana and an apple, but I'm gonna give it to them with a banana. So let me call them. So right here, all the waters there, those are the waters that they have drinking but not finished. So we have like a collection. So they're gonna be drinking that water with their guacamole sandwich and their banana for breakfast. And then we are going to pack up their school supplies and get ready to hit the road so I can do some deliveries, because I like to travel and I like to shop and I want some extra coins. Also, I get some of you who ask if you could like work and homeschool, and I feel like it really just depends on your job. Like if you can work from home or if you can take your kids with you, definitely yes. Or if you have family members or friends who can watch your kids while you go to work, and then you can homeschool them after work and on the weekends, or just after work. Typically homeschool ranges from 30 minutes to about 3 hours a day. So even after work, you have that kind of time. It does not have to be an all-day kind of thing. In elementary school, up to about an hour or 2 max. Middle school, same 2 hours, and high school about 3. Yeah, and most homeschoolers, they can work on their own a lot of the time. Once you explain to them the information, they kind of have it from there. So if you have one of those kind of kids where you could just explain it, have them do their work when they're with your in-laws or your parents or whoever, and then when you get home, make sure it's correct and help them ready to help. You can do it that way too, because I know it's a growing concern with safety in school and also with what they're teaching the kids. It's a lot going on. But anywho, let me go ahead and finish getting ready, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. So we are all in the car getting ready to go. It's kind of cool out here. But like not cold enough to need a jacket. So I already taken mine off and hanged it up there. They're back here. Where's your homeschool stuff, girls?
It's there.
So they have their homeschool stuff there. So they're gonna be working on that, and I'm about to hit the road. All right, so I went and picked up my first mobile order. I do deliver food, but I also deliver packages with Amazon and other side gigs. Like I have a lot of side gigs. You know, the Bible talks about being a capable wife. So I do my best, and I also sell like homeschool IDs for moms and students online. So if you guys want to support me, definitely go click her link and check that out. Meanwhile, they're in the back seat working on their homeschool. She is in the 2nd grade, and then she is in the 4th grade, so they're working on that. If they have any questions, they can just ask me while I'm doing my delivery. So we're about to head off. So here's the book my 4th grader is working on. This is the Brain Quest book, and today she's working on math. So she's practicing subtraction with large numbers. And then my 2nd grader, she is learning about the long O and the long U. And then she's doing a crossword puzzle. So that's what's happening right now in the car. We are currently waiting to get another order, so I'm just waiting patiently. And I will do this until I reach my goal. Yeah, what was I gonna say? Oh, so I started drinking my tea. I'm drinking ginger tea today. And this is actually my husband's cup for a protein shake, but he took my hot cup, so I had to use this. But ginger and peach tea are my absolute favorites. You guys comment down below, what's your favorite tea and where do you get it from? Because I'm like really into teas. But yeah, that's basically what we're doing right now. If you guys have any questions for me, also go ahead and comment that down below. Awesome. They say we're too young to be, baby, you should let me love. So we came to a Thai food restaurant, and the first thing they got is some Thai tea. If you guys don't know what Thai tea is, it's like tea with milk in it, and it's really, really delicious. So that's what the orange thing is there in that cup. So the first thing my daughter always gets is spring rolls. So that's what we're gonna start off with, the appetizer.
To make sure chicken.
This is what I'm eating, tom kha kai, chicken. And I'm getting a side of brown rice with it. All right, so they got their food. They're eating pad see ew with steamed rice, and they're gonna have some soy sauce.
Abby used their chopsticks.
How do you guys like it?
It's yummy.
So since I'm still working, it is almost 6 o'clock. They're eating dinner in the car. They have chow mein and orange chicken, and they also have rice up here in the front, the bag that I have right here. So that's what's for dinner. So that's what we're doing. And yeah, hopefully I will be back home soon, because we've been out here on the street since 9 a.m. and it's almost 6 p.m. So yeah, we've had a long day, but it's worth it. Now we have some trash to take out, so we're gonna take out.
For the appetizer has chips and dip. For the drink option, it has milk and water. For the menu, it has fruit salad. For the main dish, it has fruit salad, and for dessert, it has fruitsicles.
Now we are just going to watch a movie and go to sleep for the night. So I thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I hope you guys enjoy the day with us, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.